Okay, this was our first layer, and I'm going to add a second layer. And this has a lot of glaze and gel, and it's going to go right over the top. And this adds a sense of depth to the piece. And let's test it out. See how we're going to do. If it doesn't do it quite right, that's okay. Yeah, I think we're going to have to fix that one up a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. And then what we'll do is we'll just split that up a little bit here. And wait till you see these leaves come alive after we give them a little bit more shape and structure, and we're just putting the color down. We put down the color first. Yeah, there we are. We've got enough of the color. And then we can go on top of it with our leaves. Okay, and we're making some solids, some solid color. Well, welcome to your enchanted circle, everyone. Welcome, beautiful souls. I'm just going to indicate that these have some points on them. Just a little bit. Give it the maple leaf look. Just suggest that it has your points on it here and there. And we are just getting an expression or a feeling of what we're doing. We're not doing absolute realism to make it look like it looks. In real life, we're doing it how it looks to you in your heart and how you want to make it come to life. It's about you and what you like. It is. It's about you. Your inner artist is awakening. Right now I'm going to paint the spirit, and the spirit will come over here, and let's just do her with a basic silhouette type of look. We'll do her because she is in the veil between here, our world, and the next. She's going to be a little bit invisible. And she is just going to be, you're just going to see her in this silhouette. Now, let's work on her features just a little bit here. Let's bring them out. Here she is. And here's going to be her hair. And we will add some glow to her as well. And to soften the lines. Intuition is where creativity lives. So just relax and take a deep breath. And here we'll just have her glowing. There we go. Add a little glow to her because the moon is glowing off of her. Should we add some glow to these? I think we could. I think we could. A little bit here and there. Where the light might bounce off of them, we just add a little bit. Yeah, we'll just see the light is bouncing off of them a little bit in these places. Yeah, here we are. And let's go ahead and bring out some of her glow. There we are. And there she is. Canvas and bless our circle. And we have glaze on there. And we are going to use the roselle. And I place the roselle. I honor the ancient wisdom. I honor this ancient wisdom. I place this lily for transformation. May it guide the soul's journey from shadow into the light. I bless this canvas, and I bless all who enter the sanctuary circle. And so it is, and so it will be. I would like to add some flying dust. I would like to add some flying dust. I have here 2 containers. This one has the flying dust. Okay. Yeah, get it open now. Oops. Blessed be the canvas, and blessed be the circle, the sanctuary circle. And I'm going to put some here too. There we are. Oh, the dust. We'll let this dry and come back for our closing ceremony. Thank you for sharing your spirit and your creativity here. Until we meet again, remember you always have a home here in your enchanted sanctuary circle.